Welcome to Dark Secrets Unveiled, the place where we unearth the world's darkest and most disturbing secrets. The Nazca Lines are one of the world's greatest archaeological mysteries, located in the vast plains of the Nazca Desert in Peru. These enigmatic geoglyphs, drawn on the earth more than 2,000 years ago by the Nazca civilization, are gigantic figures depicting everything from animals and plants to complex geometric shapes. However, what has most intrigued researchers and conspiracy theorists for decades is their purpose and how they were created. Phase 1. Discovery and Investigation. The lines were discovered by the modern world in the 1920s, when commercial flyers began to notice the huge figures from the air. Although it is believed that the Nazca were already aware of these figures, the surprising thing is that many of them are only fully visible from the sky. This has led to the question of why an ancient civilization that did not possess the ability to fly would create such enormous and detailed figures if they could not see them in their entirety. The most famous figures include the monkey, the hummingbird, the lizard, and the impressive astronaut, a humanoid figure that appears to wear a helmet, which has sparked theories about extraterrestrial contact. In addition to these, there are hundreds of lines and geometric figures that stretch for miles, creating an enigma that has puzzled archaeologists and scientists for decades. Phase 2. Theories about their purpose. One of the greatest mysteries of the Nazca Lines is their function. There are several theories that try to explain the purpose of these enormous figures. Astronomical theory. Some researchers believe that the Nazca lines and figures may have been used as an astronomical calendar designed to mark solstices and other important astronomical events. The lines may have indicated the position of the sun, moon, and stars at certain times of the year. Religious theory. Others suggest that the lines were part of religious rituals. The Nazca civilization could have created them as offerings to the gods that inhabited the sky to ensure good harvests or protection. This theory is supported by the fact that many of the figures are related to nature, such as animals and plants, which were crucial for the subsistence of the Nazca. Aqueduct theory. Another hypothesis is that the lines were part of an irrigation system, indicating the location of water sources in the arid desert. The Nazca were expert hydraulic engineers, and the lines could have been markers of an elaborate subway system for water collection. Phase 3. Extraterrestrial contact theories. One of the most popular and controversial theories is that the Nazca lines were created with the help of extraterrestrial beings. Swiss researcher Erich von Däniken, in his book Chariots of the Gods, suggested that the figures were landing strips for spaceships, or signals intended to communicate with beings from another planet. Proponents of this theory point out that many of the figures appear to be too precise to have been created without an aerial view, which would indicate that the Nazca were assisted by advanced technology. In addition, the astronaut figure, with its humanoid appearance and helmet, has been interpreted by some as a representation of an extraterrestrial being. While this theory has been criticized by the scientific community, it continues to be popular among UFO and paranormal enthusiasts. Every year, thousands of tourists and conspiracy theorists visit Nazca, looking for proof that these lines were created with the help of otherworldly beings. Phase 4. Recent discoveries. In recent years, new lines have been discovered thanks to drones and advanced technology. Some of these new figures are even more detailed and complex than previously known. These discoveries have renewed interest in the Nazca lines, and some researchers believe that there are still many more figures hidden beneath the desert sand. However, despite technological advances and modern research, the true purpose of the Nazca lines remains a mystery. Were they an astronomical calendar, a complex irrigation system, or a message to beings from other planets? The answer, for now, remains undisclosed. Leave your comments below and share your opinion. Until the next mystery.